This year I'm the only rookie. We compare with riders with a lot of experience already in MotoGP. That's why we need to be a little bit patient maybe at the beginning. I want to improve every race and finish the season being the best rider of the Pierre Mobility group.
Let's give him some time to learn the bike. We know it's not such an easy bike, so we want him to learn and to improve all through the season.
I think he's got everything to succeed. He's fast, Moto2 world champion. He's clever. He understands that you don't need to be only jumping on the bike and opening the throttle early and braking late. MotoGP is much more complicated.
He's really curious to be here. Everything is different for him, so there is a lot of people involved, but he's really like a child with a new toy, let's say. He's really with big eyes, and he's really nice, polite, with the team, with me, with everybody.
He has a humble approach, which for me is very important. Sometimes rookies are coming, especially once they have been winning their previous championship, thinking like, I'm going to show them. It's difficult. A MotoGP bike, you need to learn, you need to show respect. And if you don't learn, then the bike will be stronger than you and send you to the moon.
Every year I want to win, and last year I had the pressure of being world champion, and now it's a different pressure, but I like the pressure. We need this pressure now, so yeah, I'm ready.